Is it different to shoot pool in Czechia than in America? I'm Katrina Zurish, an American living in České Budějovice, Czech Republic, and you're watching Checking with Katrina. In America, we shoot pool or play billiards. The most popular game played is 8-ball. Our standard pool table is 8 feet long and has 6 pockets, 1 in each corner and 1 on each side. We have a white cue ball and 15 object balls, either solid colors or striped. The goal is to make the white cue ball knock your object balls, either stripes or solids, into the pockets without scratching. That is, without putting the white ball into a pocket. It can be quite tricky. But in Czechia, the most played billiard game is a type of carom billiards, which is played on a pocketless pool table. Imagine my surprise when I went to play pool at a friend's house and the table didn't have any pockets. But it was fun to learn a different type of shooting pool. Carom billiards originated in France, but it is the most widely known way to shoot pool in the Czech Republic.
Very soft, not really hard. That was too soft.
It's played with only 4 balls, and the object of the game is to score points by making the cue ball hit the object balls. The more object balls you hit, the more points you make. As you can see, the scoreboard is divided into 2 sets of colors: yellow, blue, red, white, and green. The top set belongs to Martin and I, and the bottom set belongs to the team we are playing against. The yellow represents 1 point, the blue 10, the red 100, the white 1,000, and the green 10,000. You can also score extra points by banking the cue ball and then hitting the object balls. We actually had quite a good time, and I managed to score the most points in one turn during the evening. Okay, nobody was taking me, but I just made 31 points in 3 shots. But nobody taped it. Of course, they all called it beginner's luck. Perhaps it was, or perhaps I'm just better at carom than I am 8-ball. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button.